Hey everyone, welcome back to our Salesforce reporting series. In this video we will see how we can automate the report delivery by using subscription in Lightning Experience. So let's get started. So let's assume a scenario. You have created a report in Salesforce. Now you want this report to be sent to yourself or your client on a daily basis. So in that case you can leverage the subscription feature in the report in Salesforce to send the report. Rather than running and emailing a report every day, subscription lets you schedule emails of refreshed report data to yourself, your users, groups or roles. You can even attach XLSX or CSV files, specify who runs the report and set conditions so emails only fire when the thresholds are met. So we'll see all of them. So for that, first we'll go to the reports. Here you can see from our previous videos, we have created one report already, which was course enrollment and the revenue report. We want this report to be scheduled every day and it should send to us or any other user. So what we can do, we can choose this report and we'll click on the more action on this report. Now we'll click on subscribe. Now let's suppose I want to schedule this report on a daily basis. So what we'll do, we'll select the frequency as a daily. We can do this weekly or monthly also. If we select daily, then we'll just have to specify the time. If we select weekly, then we'll have to specify on which days we want to schedule the report. And if we select the monthly, according to it we can select the week, days. So in this case we are selecting the frequency as a daily and I am scheduling this report for the 12 PM. Also here is an option, you can see attachment. You can click on this attach file. Here it is giving you the option to attach the report XLSX format or the CSV format. So if I click on CSV and click on save, then attachment also will be sent with the email. Here you can see by default it is selected as recipient as me. Also we can edit the recipients. We have the options to send to the users, to the roles or the roles and the subordinates or the public groups. We can search for them also from this drop down. So right now I am just want to send this report to myself. We can select how we want to run the report. By default it will be me, or we can select any other person in your organization. So right now I'll just keep it as it is. Also there is an optional feature to send the report, which is you can add the condition to this report. What does it mean? It means in this report, whenever certain criteria are met, then in that case only the reports will be triggered and it will be sent to the recipient. So for this report we have two options, which is record count and the sum of course fees. So right now I'll select as a record count and we'll select if the value is greater than 9. So that means in this report the record count, if it exceeds more than 9, then only it will trigger the report and it will send the report to its recipient on whatever dates it is mentioned. So if I now click on save, you will see on this report, on the subscribed section there is a tick mark. So that means this report is already been subscribed. So now we'll just have to wait for the report to come in our mailbox. So here as you can see, I received the mail in my mailbox and the condition that we set, if the record count is more than 9, then it will trigger the report, and as it is, the report came to my mailbox basis on that condition. And also you can see it sent me with an attachment in the CSV format. Now if you want to unsubscribe the report that you had already subscribed, what you can do, you can click on this more action button, go to the subscribe. On the bottom left you will get one option which is unsubscribe button. click on that, and it will ask you to confirm whether you want to unsubscribe the report. Just click on the unsubscribe, and yeah, that's it. You will not get any of the mail regarding this report now. So that's the wrap up of our video. If you find this helpful, please give it a like and make sure to subscribe the channel for more Salesforce related updates and tips in the near future. I'll be coming with some more Salesforce related content. Thank you for coming here. We'll see you in the next one.